Have you ever been halfway through a project, like shrinking some heat tubing or removing a label, only to realize your power cord is just 2 feet too short? It's a common frustration in any workshop. That is why many of us are moving toward cordless power tools. Today, let's look at the HAOLTON cordless heat gun, which is designed to integrate into your existing 18V tool setup. Check size, compatibility, selected variant, visible material or design details, and usage conditions. These small checks often prevent the wrong purchase. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. The main draw here is the compatibility with the Makita 18V battery platform. If you already own these batteries, you can simply slide one in and get to work without worrying about finding an outlet. When choosing a cordless heat gun, you should compare factors like airflow speed, maximum temperature, and how much drain it puts on your battery. It is about finding the right balance for your specific tasks. This model features adjustable temperature settings. Having control over the heat is crucial, as you don't want to melt your project by accident while trying to get a job done quickly. Do not treat this as the only answer. Compare it with similar products and look for the best balance between usefulness, price, and verified details. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Think about the versatility here. Whether you are doing minor automotive repairs, electronics work, or light craft projects, the ability to walk around your workspace without being tethered is a game changer. The listed price is $46.52, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Keep in mind that cordless heat guns consume a lot of energy. While it is incredibly convenient, it won't replace a heavy-duty corded tool for continuous, day-long industrial heating tasks. Overall, HAOLTON Industrial Gun Handheld Electric could be worth checking if the details match your need. Review the listing carefully and compare before buying. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Before you decide, verify the specific output specs and check if the battery interface is a perfect fit for your specific generation of battery packs to ensure a secure connection. It may make sense if you are comparing options related to battery and want something practical enough to fit your routine or setup. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Currently, this is listed at $46.52, which is a 50% reduction from the original price. It is worth checking the current listing to see if that value proposition matches your budget. Before treating HAOLTON Industrial Gun Handheld Electric as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If you are looking to cut the cord, this could be a practical addition to your kit. Check the details, compare it with other variants, and see if it is the right move for your workshop.